Good evening. For those of you who don't know me, my name is and I'm the Director of Women's Ministries. Anyone who's Samoan, put your hand up. Stand up actually. Everyone who's Samoan, stand up. What happened, Faleono? What's wrong? You all gone. Come on, Samoa, you can do better. Where's the Samoan mana? Come on. All right. For those of you who don't know, I do have Samoan heritage, and I hail from Faleula in Upolu, Samoa. Now, what I want you to do, if you're Samoan, come to the front and join me in my siwa with my darling over here. How come there's only one person? I can't see any. All right, we'll wait for the music to come. But all the Samoans here, if you've got 1%, 2%, 10%, you're still Samoan.
Amen.
So this is a love song dedicated to all our Samoan Paleono, and hope you enjoy it. Please don't judge my actions. I learned from YouTube. I didn't have a professional instructor. So enjoy, and remember, put some money in the tin. We've still got 4,000 to go before we reach our target of 7,000. So, ta lofa lava from Fale